This is code.org, CS Discoveries, or their Computer Science Discoveries course. I'm working on Unit 2, which is Web Development. This is obviously Lesson 7, Intellectual Property and Images, and we're on Level 6, Creative Commons Search. Creative Commons Search. Because the Creative Commons provides a simple way to know what media you can and can't use, a lot of search engines have integrated Creative Commons filtering to ensure they only give you results you can use. When using a search engine that supports Creative Commons filtering, you usually just need to check a few boxes to make sure the media you find are licensed for your use. Search settings. When using a Creative Commons friendly search engine, you'll want to look for the settings that controls the license of the search results. For example, Google Images Search has a drop-down that lets you select from a handful of different Creative Commons licenses. Yep, and there it is. In general, you should look for media that is licensed for non-commercial use. If you plan to make any changes to the media you find, such as adding text to the image, you'll also need to make sure that you have the right to modify, adapt, or build upon the search results. And notice right here, labeled for non-commercial reuse without modification. Non-commercial means if you're not going to be making money on it. That's what that means. Or labeled for reuse with modification. So they don't mind if you're putting this up on your business site and going to throw a logo near it. It can be used by anyone. Google has this under their tools setting, right? So you would have to click tools up here, and then you'll have those options. Things like image size, and then labels for commercial reuse, all of that stuff is where you'll find it. All right, let's go ahead and keep going here. Giving credit. When you find an image or other media file you like, make sure that you not only get a copy of the file, but that you can keep track of the information you'll need to give credit to its creator. For every file you want to use, follow these steps. Download a copy to your computer so that you can upload it to the website in the next step. Write down all the information you can find about the author, such as name or screen name, URL, screen name. Wow. That makes me think of AOL and screen names. Maybe username? Okay, regardless, name or screen name, URL, which is a website link or of the website, not the URL of the image itself, not the direct link to the image, the website it came from is what they're saying, and then the title of the image if it's available, if it's there. So this is just standard practice to make sure you're using images that you have the right to, and so you don't get like a email from a lawyer if something you make takes off and the person wants to be compensated or paid since, hey, you used their picture. So these are great practices, and again, it is right within Google. It's fairly easy to use. So let's keep going.